Did you know people started making soap over 5,000 years ago? For centuries, soaps and water were our go-to for cleaning everything. Then, in the early 20th century, synthetic detergents arrived, and soon after, a whole new way to clean our clothes was born: dry cleaning. But what exactly is it? Despite the name, it is not completely dry. It's a process that cleans fabrics using chemical solvents instead of water. In the earliest days, cleaners used things like petrol and benzene. These worked great on grease stains, but they were also highly flammable and their fumes were dangerous. Thankfully, dry cleaning has come a long, long way. Today, the industry has shifted towards much safer and more eco-friendly options. The old hazardous chemicals are being replaced by modern solvents. You might have heard of PERC or perchloroethylene, which has been standard for decades. But even that is being phased out in many places due to health concerns. The real game changers are the new, greener alternatives. We now have hydrocarbon solvents, which are much gentler on delicate fabrics. There is also liquid silicone, famously used in a process called green earth cleaning. It's odorless, biodegradable, and incredibly soft on clothes. Another cutting-edge method uses liquid carbon dioxide, which is highly effective and leaves no toxic residue. And let's not forget modern wet cleaning, a high-tech process that uses very small amount of water with specialized biodegradable detergents, all managed by computers. It's considered one of the safest methods for both your clothes and the planet. The technology inside the machines has been upgraded too. Modern dry cleaning facilities use closed loop systems that recycle almost all of the solvent, preventing harmful fumes from escaping and drastically reducing waste. Some even have AI-powered systems that can detect and treat specific stains before the cleaning cycle even begins. Many cleaners now use RFID tags on garments. This means no more mix-ups. Your clothes are tagged from the moment you drop them off until you pick them up. Smart computer-controlled machines adjust the temperature and solvent flow to perfectly match the fabrics, preventing any shrinking or damage. So why choose modern dry cleaning? It's simply better. It excels at removing stubborn oil and grease stains that water can't handle. It protects delicate fabrics like silk and wool, and it keeps color vibrant without risk of fading. With all these advancements, dry cleaning is now a safer, greener, and more effective way to keep your favorite clothes looking their best. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.